Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Maria and today you will see how to crochet amazing 3D trim with floral pattern. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn. 169 meters and 50 grams. Дубль номер 2. Let's crochet my trim. Make a chain of 17. I will begin from the foundation chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Well done. My foundation chain is ready. Make a row of double crochet stitches. For this, make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the 5th chain stitch away from the hook. Make double crochet and double crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. This is the preparation row. In your case it could be last round or last row of the main pattern. Pattern consists of 4 stitches. Make double crochet stitches till the end of this row. In total I have got 16 chains in the foundation chain plus 1 chain for more beautiful look. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. I continue working on my trim edge. Let's crochet the first row of the trim edge. Make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Instead of first stitch, then chain of 3 for the chain space. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Make double crochet. Chain of 3 for the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Make double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook. 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Make double crochet. 1, 2, 3 and double crochet into the last stitch. This is the chain stitch. Make double crochet. Here this is my chain stitch, that is first one, that is closer to the previous stitch. Let's crochet row 2 of the trim edge. Chain of 4 for the chain space. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. Chain of 2. Turn the work. Work into the chain space. Make 5 double crochet with picot. 1 and picot. Chain of 3 and a slip stitch into the top of the double crochet. So my double crochet with picot is ready. In total it should be 5 of them. 2 and picot, 3 and picot, 4 and picot, 5 and picot. Then I'm going to work with this stitch. Make double crochet with picot. Then I'm going to work with double crochet stitches. Yarn over the hook. Make 4 double crochet with picot. 1 and picot, 2 and picot, 3 and picot, and 4 and picot. Then turn the work, insert the hook into the stitch that I worked before, and make a slip stitch. So my element is ready. My cute floral trim is done. Let's repeat one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains for the chain space, and make a slip stitch into the double crochet. 1, 2 chains, turn the work into the chain space, and 5 double crochet with picot. 1, 2, 3, 4 and picot, 5 and the picot. Well done. Yarn over the hook. Work with double crochet that is in the lower row. Make 4 double crochet with picot. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn the work. Insert the hook into the stitch that I worked before. Make a slip stitch. My trim is ready. Let's stop and look. I have done 2 trims in this row. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Once I have done the 3rd trim, as I did before, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, let's count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the 3rd stitch, make a slip stitch, chain of 2, turn the work into the chain space, make 5 double crochet with picot. 2 and picot, 3 and picot, 4 and picot, and the 5th one and picot, turn the work, make 4 double crochet with picot. 1, 2, 3 and picot, and 4. and picot. Well done. Insert the hook into the third chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. So my last trim is ready. You should cut off the yarn. So that's it, my 3D trim is ready. This is amazing floral trim edge made in 3D style. You can use it for any product. Also, it could be perfect for jewelry if you have great imagination, so please use it. Here how it looks in the blue color. For this project I used cotton yarn and a crochet hook. You can choose any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your own project. And all additional about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Also, you can find a lot of useful links in the description of each video. And please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my pattern. And here how this pattern looks like in the flower. At this moment this video is not ready yet. I will translate it later. When it is out, I'll let you know and share with you a link on new video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Good luck in crocheting and bye!